Today we are going to be painting a little kiwi, and I've got this cute 5x5 book here that we are going to be painting in, and I just thought it would be fun to do the kiwi on a little square. I didn't quite get the proportions of this square correct, but we're going to be painting this kiwi. So in watercolor, as usual, we start and go light to dark. And I'm going to do something today that I haven't normally done in the past, but I want to do with this one. In this area around here, it is white. And normally I just let the paper be the white, but I want to paint with white. I have a wonderful white paint from this beautiful set of paints that I have, and I'm gonna add that in. So I'm just adding this in here. And I'm not sure if it will show up very well or not. But here we go. So I'm painting in this delicious little white, and there's an yellow green. So I'm gonna mix the white and a bit of yellow and a bit of green. And I want to make sure I'm getting a little more of that yellow in there. And I want that to kind of touch the edges. I don't want it to penetrate all of the white that I just created, but I do want to get some of these edges that I have here. And we'll let that go ahead and dry then. This isn't fully dry, it's a little bit sticky, but I'm gonna go ahead and start with the next. So using my round 6, I have a green that I like in this set over here, and I am going to paint almost everything green. I have traced some of these lines that I know are white, and if it's darker than this green, I can go over it with a darker color and fill that in, and that will come out just fine. It is a more vibrant green around this outside circumference of the circle. Now, while it is wet, I want to drop darker around these edges. So I'm going to just grab some more of this around these edges here and kind of let it come in different places. I'm trying to move quickly while it is still wet so I can get the color in the appropriate spot. I love the color and the way that is coming out. So the next thing that I'm gonna do, we're gonna let this dry and then we're gonna bring some more layers into this. We're glazing, we're building up the color. Okay, now that this is dry, the next thing that I want to do is I want to bring in this dark green. So there's these dark greens in here and I'm gonna need to mix that. And so I have a green that's not quite right and it's this, and that isn't quite the color that I want. I'm gonna mix that with the green that I just put down. So it's dark. It's like, there we go. Probably needed to add a little bit more blue. I think it's a more blue-green than anything, but here is what it is. Okay, and what I want to do, I still want to make it darker. I'm gonna kind of get this darker. in here, I want to brighten that yellow edge that we tried to achieve in the beginning. And I'm going to do that just by kind of going like this. Okay, letting that dry. Okay, once that is all dry, the next thing that I want to do is I want to create that brown seed. So the seed is brown, and I'm going to use my round 2, and I've got this nice rich brown, and I may even make it a little, yeah, okay, see, I added some violet over here, and that's more the color brown and violet, more of violet brown that I'm going for. And so I'm creating these seeds in here like so, with this nice brown violet seed, and it's just really capturing what I want to capture here. And just kind of one in every spot. Really want to take a look at what I'm doing. Okay, that is looking so good. I really feel like we have a really beautiful kiwi. Now, the only thing that I want to do, I want to change this brown and go from that violet brown to a more green brown and give a little bit of an edge here. And so I'm not trying to do any type of straight line. In fact, I want it a little wavy. There we go. I think that is absolutely perfect. This was a short and sweet video, and I hope that you enjoyed doing this fun little kiwi. I think it would be so much fun. I'm just gonna do a little lettering in here because how fun would it be to write? Just kiwi. All right. Enjoy, and I will see you in our next session.